Hi, my name's Danielle Collins, world leading face yoga expert and ambassador with Almora Botanica, and we are going to do a spring detox lymphatic drainage massage. So I really recommend you apply your serum first, then you want to put on your beautiful Radiant Day face oil. So I'm just going to apply a little bit extra of that around my neck area because that is where we are starting. We are just coming underneath the ears and moving downwards. So with lymphatic drainage, you want clean hands, clean face, apply a little bit of your oil, and then work with this very gentle downwards movement. This gentle downwards movement is just encouraging all that lymph, all those toxins to come down to the lymph nodes on the collarbone area. And then you can take your fingers into this position, so a bit of a strange position, but very good for detoxing, and just come all the way down. So remember, unlike with a lifting massage, where we want to work a little bit deeper and upwards, with lymphatic drainage around the neck and ears, we are working downwards. It's going to reduce puffiness in the face, dark circles, bloating in the face, and poor skin tone. Okay, let's work around our eye area now. So we're going to just take our index finger and work all the way around. And as you do this, focus on your breathing. So breathing in through your nose and out through your nose. That breathing technique is hugely effective for your lymphatic system. And with the lymphatic system, breath, movement and massage all give it that helping hand. So it's going to help your skin to look as healthy as possible, particularly for those spring months. Okay, and then you're just going to come underneath the eyes, behind your ears, glide down, that lovely glide with oil there. And we're going to just take that twice more. Very good for reducing bags under the eyes, dark circles, and puffiness.